my channel, and today I'm back with another amazing pizza review. And in today's video we are going to review another flavor from Ovenstory, another pizza from Ovenstory, which is the chicken keema and sausage pizza. So this is chicken keema and sausage pizza which I had ordered. So here it is again, like the earlier one. It has come in a simple white box. Like I told you in the earlier video, it would be great if they would brand the box for brand marketing, because the last pizza that I had was just simply amazing, and they should surely be branding it so that more people know about that. So guys, this is the packaging. It comes in a simple white box, pizza box. So let's go ahead and open the pizza. Let's go ahead and unbox the pizza. So here is the chicken keema with chicken sausage pizza, and here we go. This is chicken keema with chicken sausage pizza. So this is with the tandoori sauce. As a base sauce is a tandoori cheese sauce which has been used, and here we can see there is few bits of chicken sausage on the pizza, and there was chicken keema which is sprinkled along on quite a few places. So we'll quickly remove the stands off it, and there's onions which are there. We can see onions which are sprinkled. There are herbs on it. There's chicken sausage. There is keema, bits of keema here and there. So overall, when I think of chicken keema pizza, I had expected the base to be a lot of keema, but from the looks of it, there's very little keema in it, and very little chicken sausages as well on it. Like compared to the chicken maximus, I think the chicken maximus was loaded with chicken, but here we can see very little keema and chicken sausage on it. But anyways, we are going to give it a taste to see how does it go. And here we go. We are just going to break a slice of pizza off here. Okay, here it is. So guys, this is chicken chicken keema with sausage pizza from Ovenstory, and we are going to do a taste of it. Here we are going to do the taste test of the chicken keema with sausage pizza from Ovenstory. It doesn't look that appetizing to me. From the looks of it, my expectations were really high after having the chicken maximus, but this pizza has a bit disappointed me with a little bit of keema on it. Like I was expecting a lot more keema, to be like a base of keema and then chicken sausages all over it, but this has been disappointing. But anyways, we are going to do a taste test of it. So here it goes. This is a taste test of the chicken keema with chicken sausage pizza from Ovenstory. Like in my first bite, I didn't get any keema. I'll take a bite from the part where there's keema. So there's keema here. I'll take a bite from here. The keema is nice and spicy. This pizza is definitely on the spicier side, which is nice. The taste is nice. Like from the looks of it, I was really disappointed, but the taste is nice. But definitely I would love a lot more keema on the pizza right now, because keema is really yummy. The keema that they have used here is really yummy. The way they have made the keema is really tasty, very spicy and very much flavorful. Chicken sausage is like it is, like it's bland in taste. Chicken sausages are bland in taste. The whole taste of this pizza is basically the keema. They should have definitely added a lot more keema in it, and it would have been a next level pizza. I think a pizza that no other company could have beaten, like no competitor could have beaten, if they would have more keema as a base here. But yeah, like anyways, talking about it, this is the Ovenstory chicken keema with sausage pizza, and we did a taste test, and I really liked it from the taste value of it. But definitely I would want some more keema on it, because that is where the taste is. That is what I wanted to order. which is a kheema pizza, but kheema is less on that, to be honest. So yeah guys, this was my review about the Ovenstory chicken kheema and sausage pizza. I would rate it a 3 on 5 for the taste. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing food